Hi guys, I am Mehul and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something special. We are going to the Ultraviolet showroom here in Mumbai. It has recently opened up and I am going to check out their latest motorcycle, the Ultraviolet F77 Super Street, which is the most street focused motorcycle. So let's go in and check it out. So the Ultraviolet F77 Super Street carries the same design as the Mark II. It has that aerodynamic approach, it has that futuristic styling, and yet it looks very stylish. There's a little difference in both of these motorcycles which makes a lot of change. So let's see what the difference is. So what we see new here is this raised handlebar and also this one piece which comes here. So what they have done is they have changed the triple tree, they have changed the handlebar, made it more upright. So you're sitting more upright on the motorcycle. The rider's triangle angle on this is 80 degrees, which is almost upright when you're riding it. It does not hamper your stability, it does not hamper the agility of the bike or your control over it, just that it makes it a little bit more comfortable. Talking about the foot position does stay the same. So your legs are going to be the same place as the Mark II. The Ultraviolet F77 Super Street comes in 4 different colors: Afterburner Yellow, Stellar White, Cosmic Black and Turbo Red. So here it is, the Ultraviolet F77 Super Street. This is the Recon model in the shadow color, which is the black color. And right off the bat, what I can see is it has got tank grips. It's got a nice, black paint, which I really like. The color scheme is also very good. We have got very sharp styling up front. The headlight also looks amazing with this little detail, which I like a lot. Now let's get onto the bike and see how it rides. And yes, we will be testing the ballistic mode on this, and the position feels really upright and nice. I mean, I like how I'm sitting on the bike, how I'm situated. Also the tank grips are doing its job, and yes, it's in ballistic mode right now. We have a range of 108 kilometers, and that's how the screen is, and it shows you a lot of data. We'll get to it at some point, but now let's go and start the ride. So this motorcycle has 3 riding modes. Right now I'm riding in glide mode. So the throttle response is okay, it's decent enough for the city, but I will be testing more when you get onto the highway with this bike. But for city, I guess the glide mode would be the best. It has a top speed for about 80 kilometers an hour when you're in glide mode, and gets more as you switch up the modes and go higher. So navigating this bike through city traffic is really easy. And also one thing which I am not missing at all compared to the regular ICE bikes what we ride is there is no heat coming onto my legs, and that is a very comforting feature if you ask me, especially when you're riding in this kind of a hot climate. So it makes it even more comfortable and more soothing to ride when you're going around in the city. Now we are on the highway. Let's get on to the combat mode, and instant difference is that the range has dropped right here, but my acceleration has gone up. So if I do this right now, you see it starts moving really nicely. The ballistic mode is even more quick, but I really want to show you something with the ballistic mode, and that's what we're gonna just do in a few minutes. So what we know about this bike, that this can do 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. So I've got the bike in ballistic mode, the traction control is off, and I am ready to do a launch on this empty patch of road. So let's go and let's see how it goes. Okay, that was quick, and I like how the way the bike was accelerating. Everything was just perfect. Also, I had all of my control. The bike was stable. The brakes were nice when I stopped the bike. I can say it was just perfect. And yeah, it does accelerate very fast. All the 100 Nm of torque this motor gives you really works its way up to give you the most possible power. So there are 2 models in this, the base variant and the Recon variant. The Recon variant has a little more range. So the base variant starts at 2.99 lakhs ex-showroom, and the Recon variant is at 3.99 lakhs ex-showroom, and the IDC range for the Recon variant is 323 kilometers. So that's the kind of range you can be expecting by these 2 variants of this motorcycle. So guys, we're done with the ride, and I am really happy with the motorcycle. And if you are happy and you're ready to make the switch to the electric motorcycle world, this is going to be the perfect ride for you, because it comes as a whole package. And as I told you, that it gets everything you need from a motorcycle. And also, if you are ready to make the switch, let me know which one would you be picking, the F77 Super Street or the Mark II. Let me know in the comments. Till then, I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, ride safe, bye bye, and I'll see you in the next one.